A very good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you are watching me from. This is Grace Neema, reporter, States News, Manzera, Pakistan, and I'm coming live from Kenya, here in Africa. And as you can see, I'm in a certain river. Yes, today I want to bring you news about Kenya, how we get water, how it is it really dry as people normally say, or it's green as you can see from here. It's green as you can see. Yes, and as you can see, by the way, this is the tree. This is so green, this is so good of us. Now we are heading to a dry season as we talk. We are in January, so we are into a dry season. Yeah, that's why you can see the rivers over here are very temporary. They are not permanently with water. Yes, as you can see, they are too sandy. They are not stony. It's some rivers looks like a place. Our rivers have a lot of sand. Yeah, and that's what happens here in Africa. This is Kenya. Yes, Kenya is a East African country, and that's what we do over here. Yeah, yes, you can see this is a sand. Now what we do to get water, we just come and drink, and we just drink the borehole or else a well. Then that's where we get water from. Maybe you use cart or duggies to carry the water from the river. So that's what happens here in Africa. Yeah, as people say, our water is not too scarce at this point. It's not too scarce as people normally say. Yeah, we got enough water here, because even people don't dunk some wells over here to maybe to use the water to irrigate their cash crops, that is cabbages, tomatoes, and other cash crops. Yes, we even get water from here, that we normally not water but sand. We also get sand from here. We use sand here in Africa. We mix it with a cement when building. Yeah, that's what we normally do. So I was just checking whether I can get a certain well over here, but as you can see, it has been blocked. It's no more. So I don't know where we can get another one. We have so many, but in the place that I have tomatoes and other cash crops. Yes, we even get water from here, that we normally not water but sand. We also get sand from here. We use sand here in Africa. We mix it with a cement when building. Yeah, that's what we normally do. So I was just checking whether I can get a certain well over here, but as you can see, it has been blocked. It's no more. So I don't know where we can get another one. We have so many, but in the place that I am in, they seem scarce. So that's our place, guys, and that's how we get water. That's how our rivers looks like, full of sands and no stones. Yeah, we get the sand is used to build. We mix it with a cement, then you can construct a very nice mansion. By the way, a very nice mansion. Yeah, the rivers are too wide. They are too wide, and since it's in dry season, that's why you can't see a water flowing. So the water comes from this side, then it goes to the other side. So I think this is it comes from south, moving to north. I think that's what happens, and then this water leads us to Tana River. For those who have been, maybe you've heard about Tana River, the largest river here in Kenya. So this leads to Tana River, and then from Tana River to Indian Ocean. So that's how it is. Yes, I hope you guys you've watched, you've liked this, you've liked our country, you've liked our culture, you've liked our rivers, you've liked everything concerning us, and you've also subscribed. So please, guys, if you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing, liking, and commenting to this video. Let's know what you think about our states, state news, Manzera, Pakistan. Yeah, let's know what you think about it. Please always leave a comment, like, then subscribe, share to even your friends, turn on your notification bell so that you can get notified when we upload a new video. You can also follow me at Grace Neema. Yes, I leave her link in the comment section. You can follow me up over there, and yes, I will really appreciate. So thank you for watching, thank you for tuning in, thank you for clicking, thank you for watching this video. I really appreciate, I feel honored, and I'm glad. So till next time, we say bye bye.